In this question, it says to construct the indicated confidence interval for the difference between the two population means. Assume that the two samples are independent, simple random samples selected from normally distributed populations, and we do not assume that the population standard deviations are equal. So when we're working with two independent samples and we have the means, we're going to use a two-sample t interval. So that's how we work with independent samples, and it's t because we don't know the population standard deviations, and we're not assuming that they're equal, so when we get to where it says pooled, we're going to say no. So, how I put the information into the calculator is I go down to two-sample t interval. So I start by pressing Stat, go over to Tests, and scroll down. This is going to be option 0, right after 9, and two-sample t interval, and my input for this problem is stats because they don't give me the actual data, they just give me the statistics. So then I put in X bar 1. Be really careful that you are copying the information correctly. So they give the sample size first in our list of information, and I'm going to call brand X group 1 and brand Y group 2. So X bar 1 would then be 19.4. SX1 would be the 1.4 minutes, and N1 is 35. And then we have X bar 2. I'm going to move to the side. This was going to go straight down on your calculator. We have X bar 2 is 15.1. SX2 is the 0.8 minutes. And N2 is 40. Then they ask me for the confidence level, and that was 95%. So I put in 95 or 0.95, either one will work. And when it says pooled, we say no. And then you just go down to calculate and press enter, and you'll get your confidence interval. So I got 3.7617 to 4.8383. And let's see, they have that rounded. So that would be choice B. That's your confidence interval for the difference between the two means. That's how you do that problem.